Spring has sprung, and your bonsai is ready to thrive. But are you feeding it the right way? In this video, we'll explore the essentials of spring fertilization. What type of fertilizer to use, when to apply it, and how much your bonsai needs. Stick around to ensure your tree gets the best start this season. If you're passionate about bonsai tree care, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks from the Bonsai Barn. Section 1. Why spring fertilization is important. As winter fades, bonsai trees awaken from dormancy, embarking on a period of vigorous growth. Providing the right nutrients during this time supports healthy development, robust root systems, and vibrant foliage. However, improper fertilization can lead to issues like weak growth or even harm your tree. Have you ever faced challenges with spring fertilization? Share your experiences in the comments below. Section 2. What type of fertilizer to use? Choosing the right fertilizer is crucial. Bonsai trees benefit from a balanced mix of nitrogen, N, promotes leafy growth, phosphorus, P, encourages root development, potassium, K, enhances overall health. In early spring, a balanced fertilizer, e.g. 10-10-10, is ideal to support initial growth. As the season progresses, transitioning to a fertilizer with higher nitrogen content can further stimulate foliage development. Both organic options like fish emulsion or seaweed-based fertilizers and inorganic options, such as Miracle-Gro, are effective. Choose based on your preference and your tree's needs. What's your go-to fertilizer? Let us know in the comments. Section 3. When and how much to fertilize. Timing and quantity are key to effective fertilization. Early spring. Begin fertilizing when buds start to swell, indicating the onset of growth. Mid to late spring. Continue regular applications as your bonsai's growth accelerates. Application guidelines. Liquid fertilizer. Apply every 1 to 2 weeks, following the product's dilution instructions. Slow-release pellets. Apply once a month, placing them on the soil surface. Always adhere to the manufacturer's recommendations to prevent over-fertilization, which can cause issues like leaf burn or excessive growth. Section 4. Special considerations. Different bonsai species and conditions may require tailored approaches. Outdoor bonsai. Typically exhibit vigorous growth and may require more frequent fertilization. Indoor bonsai. Often grow more slowly and may need less frequent feeding. Recently repotted trees. Allow 3 to 4 weeks before resuming fertilization to let roots establish. Young versus mature trees. Younger trees may benefit from more nutrients to support growth, while mature trees might need less to maintain their form. Got questions about your specific bonsai? Ask away in the comments. Understanding the what, when, and how much of spring fertilization sets your bonsai up for success. With proper care, your tree will reward you with lush growth and beauty. What's been your biggest challenge with bonsai fertilization? Let's discuss in the comments. For more beginner bonsai tips, check out my other videos on seasonal bonsai care, bonsai soil requirements, and bonsai maintenance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and happy bonsai growing!